New York Real Estate Broker Practice Exam. Let's get started. A licensed real estate broker in Buffalo, New York, employs several salespersons and decides to pay a referral fee to an unlicensed individual who provided a lead that resulted in a successful property sale. The broker believes this is acceptable as long as the fee is not considered a commission split. Under New York Department of State regulations governing real estate licenses, is this action permissible? Is it A, yes, as long as the referral fee is documented in the closing statement? Or B, no, because only licensed individuals can receive compensation for real estate activities? Could it be C, yes, if the unlicensed individual is a family member of the broker? Or lastly D, no, unless the referral fee is less than 1% of the sale price? The correct answer is B. Here is why. New York Real Property Law Article 12A strictly prohibits paying compensation for real estate brokerage activities to unlicensed persons. Referral fees for leads that result in a sale constitute compensation for activities requiring a license. Option B is correct. Option A is incorrect. Documentation does not legalize an unlawful payment. Option C is incorrect. Familial relationship does not exempt the unlicensed individual from licensing requirements. Option D is incorrect. No de minimis exception exists for referral fees to unlicensed persons. Next question. In a cooperative apartment transaction in Manhattan, the prospective buyer submits an application to the cooperative board after signing a purchase contract. The board rejects the buyer based on their credit history, but refuses to provide specific reasons in writing. The buyer asks their real estate salesperson for guidance on next steps. Under New York cooperative ownership rules and fair housing considerations, what is a key factor the salesperson should explain? Is it A, cooperative boards have absolute discretion and no obligation to disclose rejection reasons? Or B, boards must comply with fair housing laws and cannot discriminate based on protected classes, though they may have broad approval authority? Could it be C, the buyer can sue the board directly for breach of contract? Or lastly D, rejection automatically voids the purchase contract without refund of the down payment? The correct answer is B. Here is why. New York cooperative boards have broad discretion but are not immune from fair housing laws. Discrimination based on protected classes is unlawful. Proposed legislation, Intro 407A, would require written rejection reasons to increase transparency. Option B is correct. Option A is incorrect. Discretion is not absolute and cannot be used to discriminate. Option C is incorrect. Boards are not parties to the purchase contract. Option D is incorrect. Contract terms govern refund rights. Next question. A first-time home buyer in Queens is approved for an FHA loan with a 3.5% down payment on a $400,000 purchase price. The lender requires upfront and annual mortgage insurance premiums. The buyer asks their salesperson if the MIP can ever be removed. According to New York real estate finance practices and FHA guidelines, what is the accurate response? Is it A, MIP is permanent for the life of the loan regardless of equity? Or B, MIP can be canceled once the loan-to-value ratio reaches 78% through payments or appreciation? Could it be C, MIP is only required for the first 5 years of the loan? Or lastly D, MIP applies only to conventional loans, not FHA? The correct answer is A. Here is why. For FHA loans originated after June 3, 2013, with less than 10% down payment, MIP is required for the life of the loan. Option A is correct. Option B is incorrect. This describes conventional PMI cancellation. Option C is incorrect. Option D is incorrect. FHA loans require MIP. Next question. A real estate salesperson in Staten Island advertises a rental property online with the phrase "ideal for young singles, no families please." A family with children inquires, and the salesperson discourages them from applying. Under New York State human rights law and federal fair housing regulations, what violation has occurred? Is it A, no violation, as landlords can set tenant preferences for rentals? Or B, discrimination based on familial status, which is a protected class? Could it be C, only a violation if the property is federally subsidized? Or lastly, D, steering is the only prohibited practice here, not advertising language? The correct answer is B. Here is why. Familial status is a protected class under the Fair Housing Act and New York human rights law. Advertising that states or implies preference against families with children is discriminatory. Option B is correct. Option A is incorrect. Tenant preferences cannot discriminate against protected classes. Option C is incorrect. Discrimination is unlawful regardless of subsidy. Option D is incorrect. Discriminatory advertising is itself a violation. Next question. A real estate ad in Manhattan states, perfect for young professionals, no kids. Under New York fair housing laws, is this acceptable? Is it A, yes, if not intentional? Or B, no, it discriminates on familial status? Could it be C, yes, for coops only? Or lastly, D, no, unless senior housing? The correct answer is B. Here is why. Advertising that excludes families with children discriminates on the basis of familial status, a protected class under federal and New York law. Option B is correct. Option A is incorrect. Intent is irrelevant. Discriminatory effect is sufficient. Option C is incorrect. Cooperatives are subject to fair housing laws. Option D is incorrect. Only qualified senior housing exempted. Next question. In Albany, a lot measures 100 feet by 150 feet. What is the area in square feet? Is it A, 15,000? Or B, 10,000? Could it be C, 25,000? Or lastly, D, 5,000? The correct answer is A. Here is why. Area equals length times width. 100 feet multiplied by 150 feet equals 15,000 square feet. Option A is correct. Option B, 10,000, would be 100 by 100. Option C, 25,000, would be 250 by 100 or 166 by 150. Option D, 5,000, would be 50 by 100. That's it for today. How many did you score? Let me know in the comments. Please like and subscribe, and tell me what topic I should cover next. Bye.